All right, check it out. We got something from our friends over at Trust Kikaku, and it was just delivered. Let's get a knife to open this up. And if you see this, um, so this, I'm super excited for this one. We've been waiting for a little bit. They were sold out, and then we managed to get our hands on one. This is going to be added here to the car. Oh man, this is tough to do with one hand, but we're gonna get it done. So we're opening this up. Check this out. We got a Mines. I'm sure you can figure it out by now what it is. Chaka-chan. It is indeed a steering wheel, and this is super light and awesome. Let's open this bad boy up. And man, how do these YouTubers do this with one hand? Okay, here we go. Here we have, put this aside. There she is. D shape, leather, and Alcantara red stitching to complement the Series 3 interior. We already have the Mines center console pieces like the e-brake boot, the shift boot, and the armrest. This is going to pair up really, really awesome. Super excited to install this in the car. Let's get it done. And we are going to install the new Mind steering wheel to complement the interior of the car. We're going to replace this gnarly one with our new Mind's D shape. It should come out looking really good. Let's get to it. All right, check it out. We got the steering wheels put in. We're just torquing these bolts, but something that I wanted to discuss here because it's not. I looked online, and for anyone who gets a Mind steering wheel, and maybe it's because I'm a noob, but the wiring. So I already had an aftermarket steering wheel in this car. So what's important here is to know that you'll have the horn is the black, um, this little black plug, and you should have another plug, the white plug that goes into, because this is a Series 3, the airbag. However, because this car already had an aftermarket steering wheel, somebody's already done this little loop so you don't have a a airbag light on. So because we don't have an airbag in here. And I really need to get in the habit of charging this mic because it keeps dying. So, anyways, what we were getting through here is that the Mind setup comes with a closed loop. And so you have the green wire is actually the power wire, and there is a ground that needs to happen. Since the steering wheel column has no additional ground to be plugged, what we need to do is take advantage of the equipment that you're provided with the Minds kit. So the Minds kit comes with some little wires that you can use to plug. But what's important is that there's a little metal gasket that's around, which is the little silver piece that you see, and it sits behind it and it has a tab. Make sure you bend the tab facing towards the back of the steering column and use the wire to close the loop of the ground so that you have a closed circuit. Once you do this, um, the horn will actually work. In the beginning, it's not going to work right away until you actually have contact with the steering column. But once you do that, it'll come alive. I figured this is a useful piece of information because I looked for like 2 hours and I couldn't find anything, and then eventually I just kind of figured it out. So, And this is what it looks like, and you can't hear it, but the horn actually works. All right, check it out. She's all installed. Looks pretty good. And horn works. So we got the Mines steering wheel put in. And then we got the corresponding Mines goodies in the center. And it's freaking dope. That's awesome. All right. Thanks for watching. Peace.